How to use Mailchimp. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can use Mailchimp for your email marketing campaigns, for your automation and much more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply type mailchimp.com and you will land on this platform right here. Mailchimp is amazing tool with a lot of different features that you can avail in order to run a successful business, to do automation, and to run successful email marketing campaigns. How to sign up for MailChimp? It's super easy. You simply sign up with your email address and you set up a password. After that, you are simply good to go. You also get a free plan and no credit card required. Once you sign up for your MailChimp, this is the dashboard that you will get after the initial sign up. MailChimp has all of the different features for our business, and we get audience, campaigns, automation, website, content studio, integration. So I will show you around all of these different features. Let's check out the pricing for MailChimp real quick so you have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So this is the pricing plan for MailChimp. You can see right here we get a free plan, which is pretty amazing, and we get email marketing campaigns. We are getting creative assistant, website builder, MailChimp domain, forms and landing page for free. So if you like free stuff like me, then you will really enjoy the free version right here. But then we have plans. The essential plan is $11, and then we have a standard plan which is going to be $17, and a premium plan which is going to be $2.99. Each plan has different features. Of course, the features increase as the pricing increases. So you can go ahead and sign up for any of the plans. Whichever plan suits you the most, you can go ahead and buy it and then sign up for MailChimp, or you can simply sign up for free. So let's check out the dashboard for our MailChimp now. So let's go to the audience right here. You will see the create option right here. Now, create simply means when you click on create, it will kind of like take you to all of these different options where you will be able to create an email marketing campaign, you will be able to create a website. This is like all in one tool you get right here, which is like a quick access for you to create anything. So let's check out audience. When we click on audience, you will find that we get the option of audience dashboard. Then we have all contacts, we have sign up forms, tags, segment, service and inbox. If you want to create a new contact, you will simply click right here, add your contact, and then you will be able to add your new contact. Then you will simply upload your file what you have created, different files and list that you want to add to your MailChimp. We also get the option of import on our MailChimp, and you can simply copy and paste from your spreadsheet as well. So you will simply click on continue to upload and you will be able to import your contacts that you have, and you will be able to add them to your MailChimp right here. Of course, when we are going to be creating our email marketing campaigns, or we do automation and we want to grow our MailChimp audience, we can simply go ahead and import our contacts from other platforms as well. So then in contacts, in audience, we get the option of create a sign up form. This is to get the email addresses of people. Then we can also create a social post or a social ad. So let me show you how you can create a form with MailChimp. It's super easy to do. So this is going to be a pop-up form. So this is my name, how to global, right? So I'm going to go for this one. Like I want people to sign up for this. I will simply click on begin. So now you can see I can simply create a form right here. I can add the text right here. I can set an image. I will simply choose the layout, or I can simply go ahead and connect the site as well, where I will be putting up my pop-up subscribe to our newsletter. So here people will add their email address. Why this option is available in audience? Because it will really help us to get more subscribers, and we will be able to grow our email list. That is how MailChimp works for our audience, and to grow our email list. So you simply create it right here. You can simply review it as well. You can add an image, you can edit the text you want to. So I can edit this text. I can edit the button right here. It can also say subscribe, or maybe click here. I can just simply go ahead and change it. There you go. I will say click here, then I will add a link for my button right here, and I will simply click on save and publish, and it will be published, and I will simply connect the site where I want this form to pop up. So that is how we create sign up forms on Mailchimp. Is super easy to do. Let me show you how you can create an email marketing campaign with your Mailchimp. So you will simply go to campaigns right here, all campaigns, where you will be able to find your campaigns that you already have created. If you do not have any campaign created before, then it's fine. You will just find this right here. So all of your campaigns will be shown here. To create a new campaign, you will simply click on create campaign right here, and then let me show you how it looks to actually create a campaign in Mailchimp. So now I can select from any of these. I have the option of regular email, I have a landing page, and then we have an embedded form as well. So let's create a regular email so I can show you how the editor of Mailchimp actually works. So it will be actually same when we create a landing page or when we create a email marketing campaign. The editor is same. It's a simple drag and drop, which helps us to create our professional landing page or our professional email marketing campaign. So this is the email campaign builder. You can see right here, this is kind of like a template that we get. So this is going to be a sell your product template. You can see right here, these are the different blocks and elements I can add to my campaign. So I will simply give my campaign a name from here. Let's call it a test campaign. So you can edit anything you want to. You can see right here, when you over these sections, you get this option of edit, then you get the duplicate option and delete as well. You will simply add your logo right here. Then you can simply edit the text. For example, this text, I can change it. I can add an image. I can change the color. I can change the background color as well. So if I want to change the text, I will simply remove this one. So I can edit the text right here. I have added how to global and I changed the color to pink. We will simply, save and close. After that, if I want to add anything, let's just say that I want to add a divider. So I will drag the divider and I will put it right here below my logo. And then I will add another divider to kind of like, okay, simply save. And then I will add another divider that is going to be below my text. There you go. So this is how you add different blogs. You can add different socials. You can add a button. You can add a footer, code, share, image and text, emerge, card. So this is how basically it works. You can simply go ahead and add link to your button right here. You can add the product information. You can link your store to your, email marketing campaign. So this is how you can create a simple regular email within your Mailchimp. You simply continue, you add the recipients, and then you simply send now, or you schedule your email for later. Then we have the automation. In automation, we will actually get our customer journeys, transactional emails, retargeting ads. That is actually pretty amazing. You can retarget your ad to create a customer journey. You can start from the scratch as well. You can create different postcards. And then we have the website option where we can go ahead and create our own website. We can create our store. We can create appointments, domains, settings, and reports. This is actually pretty amazing that we're getting the store and appointment option within our Mailchimp. Now, to create your own landing page or a website, we get different templates as well that you can actually work with. So these are the different options you will get. We get a lot of integrations as well when it comes to Mailchimp. It is really famous for its integration, and these integrations really help you to create this amazing productive hub of your own, and you will be able to create a better workspace for yourself, where you will be able to create your own websites, where you will be able to manage your store, where you will be able to grow your email list and create amazing professional email marketing campaigns to run a successful business. And Mailchimp will really help you with all of these different tools and features. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Mailchimp.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.